Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So yesterday, I uploaded a video. I was gonna upload a video, didn't upload. So I'm making a new video of new cars I got. Well, actually, the Camaro I've had for a while, Godzilla. I opened yesterday, and the Lamborghini Huracan I got yesterday too, and I opened it for the video that didn't upload. But I got this at Five Below. And you can find these really anywhere. But my local find it. Hold on guys. Where's Godzilla package? Oh, there we go. See, so we got T-Fox Godzilla, the Camaro, and the Lamborghini Huracan, which is a special edition 19 if hopefully it is too much. But that, guys, is not going to be the end of the video because I need to show you guys something which I can't find right now. If I can find it, then I'll show you guys. But that's the video right now. Then you guys can kind of look at that. But if you come over here, so I have in my room a area. Sit down. You got this compound, and then you got a shop. Another compound over there, farm setup, and a shop, which this goes with that. But right here, we got Bigfoot 5, Bigfoot 1, a little Ford Bronco. Oh yeah, this right here is my Ford section. We got new and old. Earthquake, Above and Beyond, another Bigfoot 1, 2019 Ford F350 Lariat Dually, 2009 Ford F-150, 77 Ford F-100, 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, a, hold on, let me make this, yes, this is a 1970 Ford F-350 Ramp truck. You got another Bigfoot one, a, let's see, 79 Ford, you got this trailer, and then you got the Shelby Cobra, a little trailer, and a gooseneck, and a Bigfoot gooseneck. In this area. And then you got the camping section with you got a tiny home, a pop-up, mini drop or something, another camper, another camper, another. You got like 7 areas, and then you got the big Atlanta truck. So this big Atlanta truck goes through a Chevy, Nissan, Dodge, a Jeep, right, and then right here, this was an all Hot Wheels set trailer back there, which I made it go with this lifted Dodge. Okay, that's lifted. And then we got the Slam Chevy with the work trailer, a Land Rover with another trailer, a Baja truck, which came with this trailer. And on my first video, just by the way, I felt like a little bad because it was like my first video. Kind of didn't feel that well, but now I feel much better. And that's my little accent. Got this cargo trailer, which goes with the Chevy, which I assume is the V8 or V6. And you got all Ford in there. Got this Chevy, Pre-Runner, Jimmy Johnson, which is my favorite race car driver. This McDonald's 94 race car. You got a D100. And then up here, you have a Ford F-350, Ford F-150, Ford F-250, Dodge D100, or 200, Ram 2500, Dodge Ram 2500, extended cab, no, 8-foot bed, gooseneck hitch, blacked out, crew cab. And then right here, you got this color changer car, Jaguar, Liberty, and Big Bear Ram Charger compared to the old F-100. And then right on the top, you have a gas monkey car, which you kind of took apart, personally. And then on the bottom, hopefully no one's offended, I got the good old General Lee. And then right here, I'm gonna get to the other side, which is real short. A skid steer in a dump trailer. And you got the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor Xbox edition, which I'm not sponsored by anything. It's just my car collection. And then you got a Peterbilt Earl, I think. And then this trailer. So this started out as a dump trailer. Oh yeah, this is how it's called. But this started as a dump trailer, and then I told my uncle to make it a certain flatbed trailer. So he took apart the dump part, and now the trailer is wide enough to tow my Magnum. This is a Case IH. This is Daytona, no it's called. Got a snowplow, which is for the white Dodge. Not that one, not Dually, but this one. And then you got toolbox, sand thing, and Johnny Lightning Ford Bronco, which is needing repairs. I mean, it's a police highway patrol. But today I'm not going to show this compound off because it's really, or like house area because it's really small. But if you walk over here, so that flatbed, it's kind of dark. The flatbed trailer was made for this Case IH, which looks really good on the camera. We got Chevy trailer, Ford tractor, John Deere quad, John Deere 9R with floaters, trailer. And then my favorite part is probably the 9R. Oh yeah, also Ford tractor, 9R with floaters, and then this, the Case IH. It's a Magnum, 370 Magnum, and a 330 plow, which can fold up. So that's that, and then this tractor also has some nice wheels. And comment down below in the video what tractor is your favorite, and over here for these two sections, like this, that, and that, what is your favorite vehicle? And like for a list like 1, 2, 3, and what is your favorite vehicle on this lot? Start off, this is gonna be a long line. Skid steer, drag truck, pickup, Dodge with, what I call an RC. Well, it's not really an RC, it's just for the dealership, and roleplay RC. Got this car. Got this car, which don't mind the axle. Got this 68 or 69 Challenger. Soccer car, tractor, VW. Got this Bronco Ford, which I customly kind of made this as a camper. Oh yeah, you got your NASCAR Land Rover back there, sprayer which is broken. Cadillac Ford F-100. And you got this, which is this Ford car. It goes with the Ford section, the black Ford semi. And then you got the Shelby up here, Camaro, which I actually really like. And then you got, oh yeah, this is not a 56 Ford F-100. The truck by the Ram Charger next to Walmart. This truck is a 56 Ford F-100. But then we got this other Shelby. Got a Corvette, another 94, and then we got this Jeep. Coming in the trailer, which is a talking trailer with the little vehicle. And then we got another trailer. And these are both Matchbox. This is not. And then, oh yeah, that's cheap. And then you get Volkswagen truck, car, van, BMW, VW, Pro car, VW, trophy truck, van, Superman. Then you got a Bronco. I'm gonna show you this. And a crane, which actually my dad gave me this. It's right here. I got a newer Scrambler. I got the old one in 1983 or something. We got this Hot Wheels truck, and then this Matchbox rig, which I don't really know what it's called. I don't care. This truck, 6x6 Dakota, and yeah. This is kind of a long video because that's how I can decide to make it. But I'm gonna come back over to the area where I first showed you guys that. And yeah. So guys, like, subscribe, and comment down below what was your favorite vehicles out of the 3 areas that I showed you. Like do 1, 2, 3, like shop, tractors, like compound, tractors, 1, compound, 2, tractors, and 3, M2 Customs. That's what the shop's name is called, the dealership. Or you can either say M2 Customs or dealership. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's kind of long. It's not really that long, 12 minutes or so. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Click the like button. Let's see if we can get to 10 likes. And also, let's see if we can get to 15 subscribers. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.